Hey there! Have you ever encountered a frustrating problem while working with graphs in Excel? The issue arises when you try to manually input a data range using the arrow keys, only to have unwanted cell references added in. It can be quite a nuisance, right? You find yourself having to resort to workarounds like using the mouse or copying and pasting into a notepad app just to get the correct range. But fear not, as there is a solution to this pesky problem. In this case, the solution lies in utilizing the F2 function key. When editing chart data ranges or making manual changes in series for legend entries or horizontal axis, simply hit the F2 key. By doing so, you can avoid the addition of those unwanted cell references that occur when using the arrow keys. This handy trick also applies when editing formulas in data validation or conditional formatting. It's a simple yet effective way to ensure you input the exact data range you need without any unexpected additions. To wrap things up, remember that when dealing with data ranges in Excel graphs, the F2 function key is your best friend. Say goodbye to added cell references and hello to smooth, hassle-free editing. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any Excel-related conundrums you'd like help with. Until next time, happy Excel-ing!